Now I'm going to put the two bags together. You should insert this inner bag in the outer bag, just like this, okay? And use your finger to tidy it up, okay? To make sure the inner bag and the outer bag almost stick together, okay? Just use your finger to tidy it up, okay? Okay, now I will use the thread to sew the two pockets, the two bags together, to sew the two pieces of cloth together, okay? Can you see it? I will use the thread to sew the bag's mouth up, okay? Sew a circle, but before you sew them together, you should, can you see it? Fold this fabric inward. Can you see it? Fold the fabric inward. Fold both fabric. Both fabric inward. Can you see it? Yeah. Fold the fabric. Continue to fold the fabric inward. Okay. Can you see it? Just fold the fabric, both fabric fold inward. Now, the two pieces of cloth. Now I'm fold the both fabric inward. Can you see it? Yeah. Then I could use the thread to sew the two pieces of cloth together. Yeah. First you should fold the fabric inward. Continue to fold the fabric inward. Can you see it? Just like this. Both fabric should fold inward. Okay. Now I'm going to use the thread to sew the two pieces of fabric together, okay? Can you see it? Just sew round and around. Can you see it? Yeah. Sew the two pieces of fabric together. Continue to fold the fabric inward. Can you see it? Yeah. Now I have sewed them together. Yeah. When you're sewing, you should continue to fold the fabric inward. Then you could sew them together. Now, one side has finished. Yeah. Okay, now I will continue to sew this side, okay? Just fold the fabric inward. First, you should fold the fabric inward. Can you see it? Fold the fabric inward. Then you could use a thread to sew them together, okay? Round, just like this, sew them together. Continue to fold the fabric inward. Change another thread. See it? Just use this thread to sew the two pieces of fabric together. Okay, now the back has finished, almost finished. Yeah, can you see it? The next step, I will use this little screw. This little screw, I will use the little screw under the screwdriver to fix this metal frame on the bag's mouth. Okay. Put metal frame in the bag's mouth. First, you should insert this bag's mouth, insert the fabric in the glue of the frame. Okay, can you see it? Insert the fabric in the glue of the frame. Okay. You should make sure you have totally insert the fabric in the glue of the frame. Can you see it? Now, take a look. Now I have insert the fabric in the glue of the frame. Okay, then I could use the screwdriver, fix this glue in the holes of the frame. Sorry. Can you see it? Just use a screwdriver to fix this glue in the metal frame. Okay. Okay. Okay, now let's fix this side. It's also, you just need, first you should insert the fabric in the glue of the frame. Okay. In this step, you should ask your husband to help you how to fix this little screw on the frame. Yeah. The man's finger is more, it can help you to fix this screw more easy. Yeah. Okay, now let's use this little screw to fix this side. Okay. Before you fix the little screw, you should make sure you have totally insert this fabric in the glue of the frame. Then you could use the scissors to fix it. Okay, now can you see it? The bag has almost finished. Yeah, just like this. Okay, and the last step, you just need to put this metal chain on the back, okay? Okay, now this bag has finished. Yeah, take a look. Yeah. Does it look beautiful? Yeah. Okay, now this bag has finished.